This is a video review of the C27 machine to help address the scope of adding PLC controls to this machine. This machine has 4 unwinds, and each unwind has a motor and a gearbox. I've got a picture of this for you. C27. All 4 of these unwinds are identical. And then this is the laminator section. So this is the motor and the gearbox associated with the laminator section. This motor has slightly different information on the data plate, so I've got a picture with this as well that you can reference. This is the wind-up area, and this is the motor gearbox that drives the wind-up, and I've got a picture of that data plate as well in the information for you. Walk around to the other side of the machine. Each unwind station has a load cell and has a mag power tension control, and also has a little push button station with an emergency stop, line stop, an off on switch, and a jog reverse forward switch. All four unwind stations are identical. So I'm standing in between the unwind and the laminator section, and this is the current control cabinet. The control cabinet measures 63 inches wide, it's 75 inches tall, and it's located underneath this blue framework, which has a transformer on the top. So I've got pictures of the cabinet, I've got pictures of the transformer that you can reference. If I open it up, there is no PLC, there is no HMI, it's all relay logic. These are the drives for the unwind, and one of these is a drive for the laminator section, and then another is a drive for the wind-up section. There's all the relays. There's the incoming power. It's got a 100 amp breaker coming in, 110 amp fuses. And this is the way the control cabinet looks. When the line is running, we get a readout in the line speed, feet per minute, and then the line speed is controlled by this little device. And there's been some work orders put in for this lately, because if you turn this knob just a little bit, you don't get a little small adjustment here. You get, sometimes it'll jump and you get a big adjustment. So I've got a picture of this that you can zoom in and look at all the buttons and see what they do. And basically it's just a line jog, line start. These are horn controls for the sonic laminator section. We don't have to be concerned about any of this. We're just concerned about the unwind and the drive sections for the laminator and the wind-up. As far as safety devices, there are no safety devices at the unwind stands. When we get to the laminator section, as you can see in here, there's a light curtain inside these doors. So they can slide the doors open, but if they stick a hand in, it goes in the light curtain and shuts it down. And then down here on the lower portion, I go across, there is a limit switch in here. So if you open this little door, it shuts the line down, saying this door has to be closed and locked in order for the line to run. There is some guarding around the wind-up. There is a pull cord. There is a safety latch. And when we get to the other end, I believe there's another safety latch on the other side. Yes, there's a safety latch over here. There is a pressure mat in front of the wind-up, and we have just recently added this 6 scanner. So this scanner is going to watch this area in front of the wind-up. So we may be able to take that pressure mat out because we put the scanner in. This is another control panel tied into that one. This speed control is obsolete, it doesn't work anymore, but it basically allows you to turn it off and on. Got an e-stop on it. Some other things. I'm not sure how functional this one is. And then of course I have a tension controller for the wind-up area. So hopefully this will give you enough information to give us a budgetary number for upgrading it. This is another area where you can jog the line if you need to.